if you want to examine dense regular connective tissue, which is elastic in nature, then you can also use a section of the aorta or any large artery, and you can zoom in to this structure or the wall of the artery. And these sections are stained using a special stain which visualize the dark elastic fiber bands. Okay, so here you can see these black squiggly lines are your elastic fibers, and then in between you would have your collagen fibers, which are pink in nature, as well as your interspersed with smooth muscle tissue. But it may be difficult to differentiate your smooth muscle cells from your collagen fibers. But what's important is in this section, you can easily see the bands of elastic fibers, making this an elastic type of dense regular connective tissue.